Hello guys, happy evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So definitely today I'll train you like anything to score more than 70 mark in tomorrow midterm examination paper. Just listen what I'm telling you. It's a very important one. This is last year paper, so 2024. Even I'll show you 2023 also. And all of you, while coming tomorrow, while leaving your home, so just take back your I mean, admit card and scientific calculator and all working steps should be very clearly shown. So come to point section A. Remember section A, the question number 1. The question number 1 is always vital statistics only. Remember MCQ question, section A is always vital statistics. It should be a live table also. And question number 2, that should be an index number. Question number 2, so that is an index number. Similarly, the question number 3, so that is time series. So it should be based on all the components of time series, like example, causes, duration, so everything. And question number 4, that is called interpolation and extrapolation. So note that is very simple one. What is interpolation? What is extrapolation? Based on Newton advanced difference method formula, what are the coefficients also they are going to ask, whether known values or unknown value. And similarly, binomial expansion method. So how many known values, unknown values also. And similarly, question number 5. So that should be under theoretical distribution. So this theoretical distribution, we are able to attend perfect answer. We need to prepare 8 properties of theoretical distribution, like Bernoulli distribution post 1, binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, hypergeometric distribution, normal distribution, standard normal distribution, chi-square distribution, and student distribution. If you don't know property of all 8 continuous and discrete probability distribution, otherwise you are not able to attend this question. This is a very important one. That is question number 5. So this is agenda. So this MCQ question pattern. The first question is vital statistics. Second question is index number. Third question is time series. Fourth question is interpolation, extrapolation. And fifth question is theoretical distribution. So this is based on MCQ question. Some people ask how to study all this thing. So in the college, we provide you already spiral notes. So chapter wise, all MCQ questions are there. Please go through it. Definitely you can score 5 out of 5 mark in this MCQ pattern. So similarly, the second one, fill in the blank, choosing the appropriate answer from the given in the bracket. So answers are given in the bracket there. So we are able to write just a minute. Okay. Now, the second main of section A. So fill in the blank. So definitely, so this is also very easy. Second main, I can score 5 out of 5 mark in this. The question number 6 is comes under vital statistics plus life table. And question number 7, so index number. Question number 8, time series. Question number 9 and 10, so definitely theoretical distribution. Here also, we should know clearly all the 8 property of distribution, 4 discrete and 4 continuous. Definitely we are able to answer these 2 questions. That is question number 9 and question number 10. This is a very important one. So after that, so match the following. Here also same thing. 5 question. Each question carry 5 mark. The question number 11, it should be a vital statistics. Question number 12, that is index number. Question number 13, it should be a time series. Question number 14 and 15, theoretical distribution. So these 2 questions. Same thing here also. We need to study the properties of chi-square distribution. So 8 probability distributions are there. We should know all properties of distribution. Definitely we're able to answer question number 14 and question number 15. So this is 15 mark pattern. So 15 mark question with answer there in the question paper. So if you know the property, if you know the definition of time series, if you know the characteristics, limitation, function, properties of index number, if you know the mortality and fertility measurement, so definitely we are able to answer 15 question. So 15 mark will get it. So similarly, now we are able to start the 1 mark section. So this is very dangerous for you people. So definitely here, so there is no choice for 1 mark question. So very important. Here there is no choice for 1 mark question, but easy to guess. The question number 16, it should be a vital statistics. Question number 17, it should be index number. Question number 18, time series. Question number 19, this is an interpolation and extrapolation. So very simple, 5 minus 1 to the power of 5, 5 known value, you're able to write the equation. And even they ask numerical coefficient. You have to write equation there. Look at that, what is y3 coefficient? You are able to write the answer. And same thing, question number 20th, again theoretical distribution. So here also, again theoretical distribution. We always remember properties of theoretical distribution. So this is quite difficult for you people. So please remember all the properties of theoretical distribution and our definition of time series and definitions of index number, characteristics, limitation, uses, and what are the mortality measurement and fertility measurement, life table definition. So we need to study. So similarly, so 20 marks is over for section A. Now we'll move on to section B. The 2-mark questions here. Definitely there is a 2-mark question. So 8 questions are there. You're supposed to write 5 questions. The very simple here, very simple. The question number 21 is comes under vital statistics and time series. And question number 22, index number. 2 questions here. One is a practical question and another 23rd question also, that is theory question. So this is very easy. 2 factors are given total. We're able to identify which index number for that. So based on that, you are able to substitute it. Note that question number 21, vital statistics and index number. Question number 22, so definitely there is one theory question, one practical question. So easy to remember for this. So factors are given directly, so you are able to write it very easily. Now, question number 23. I told you already, one practical question, one theory question. Come to 24th one. So there is a time series one. All the definition, example, upward trend, downward trend, and what are the causes, what are the duration, and what are the example, what is secular trend, seasonal variation, and irregular variation, cyclical variation, or what are the stages of business cycle. So these are the question might become. Question number 25. So just 4 questions are the theory. So you're able to study and come. The one question is definition of interpolation, extrapolation. And the third one, assumption of interpolation, extrapolation. And the third question, what are the methods of interpolation, extrapolation? And fourth question, what are the conditions for binomial expansion method? So conditions for binomial expansion method. So very important one, conditions for binomial expansion method. What are the methods of interpolation, extrapolation? What are the assumption? And what are the definition of interpolation, extrapolation? These 4 questions enough to study. So you are able to write 25th question very clearly. And come to 26th question and 27th question and 28th question. Very dangerous for you. So that is theoretical distribution. Again, you know the properties of theoretical distribution for discrete probability, for continuous probability. So finally, 8 properties of probability distribution is know it. So definitely we are able to write 26, 27, 28. So otherwise, we need to study only 25th. The first 4 chapter, we are able to write 5-mark question. 5 question. Each question carry 2 mark. So this is the 2-mark pattern for you guys. The next one is very important one, 5-mark question. There is a 2 mains are there for 5-mark question. So kindly remember section C. So you are able to write 7 questions are there. You are able to write 4 questions. The very simple guys. Even if you don't know theoretical distribution, we are able to write very easily, very easily. You people are saying now 29th question and 30th question is comes under vital statistics. It comes under vital statistics. But final examination annual, there is no vital statistics 5-mark question. So all of you remember, only at the sake of midterm exam. So you will get 2 5-mark question. Look at that here, they are CBR, GFR and ASFR for the specific age group. So very easy to write it. And even 5-mark, they're given, ASD are given directly. So we need to multiply PA and PB. And sometime GRR separately, sometime NRR separately, sometime TFR also separately, sometime comparison of TF4 also they are going to ask. Yes, the very, very important one. Note that 7 questions are there. You are able to write 4 questions. So very, very important one. Already 2 questions happened from the vital statistics. Now, similarly, we'll go for next question. So 29, 30th is comes under vital statistics. Now we'll move on to the question number 31 and question number 32. So note that question number 31, index number. Question number 31, index number. This is a third 5-mark question. So very simple here. They are going to ask weighted AM, then weighted GM is the one set, and there is an unweighted AM, and there is an unweighted GM also, and even consumer price index number. There is a 2 method, aggregative expenditure method, then family budget method also. And identify the suitable index number. Identify the suitable index number. This is only under last year's price, past year's price, and last year's quantity, past year's quantity. Only for this. Identify the suitable index number. So in this, so definitely we need to study thoroughly. So we'll get one question number third, 5-mark question, index number. And look at that question number 32. Question number 32, there is a moving averages method. Definite question. It may be a 3rd yearly, it may be a 5 yearly, or it may be a 4 yearly. In these, definitely one question compulsory. Very, very easy pattern. Please do what I'm saying it. So go through it, plan it properly, and do one questions, solve and come for the examination hall. Don't make an overconfident, so it's not work. And look at that question number 33. So that is interpolation and extrapolation. Both the method they are asking, guys. One is binomial, one is Newton, both the method. So here they ask binomial. So another main 5-mark, they ask Newtons. So very easy to guess. Look at that, how many questions happen here? So total 7 questions. You are able to write 4 questions there. What is that? Question number 29, vital statistics. Question number 30 also, vital statistics. Yeah. Question number 31, index number. So question number 32, odd yearly moving averages, even yearly moving averages. And question number 33, Newton advanced difference method. In this main, no theoretical distribution, guys. 5-mark post main, no theoretical distribution problem. Very easy to score 20 mark here. Please write extra question. Definitely. Please write extra question. Though now first 5-mark questions are done. Now we'll move on to, another 5-mark question. Yes. Another 5-mark question. So another 5-mark questions, it means, so here, the above main 7 question, you are able to write 4. But now this main 4 questions are there, you are able to write 2 questions. Here also very easy to, score 10 mark. That is question number 36 is only for index number. Any 5-mark question they are going to ask. And note that, guys, this is only for midterm pattern. Annual examination pattern completely different. Seriously, I'm telling you, as a midterm, you need to study and score well. After midterm, we need to study compulsory theoretical distribution, SQC, and operation research, and statistical inference compulsorily. As a midterm, the paper was damn easy. You need to study only the first 4 chapter, score more marks only. And this is 36 index number question. Yes, similarly, Question number 37. Look at that fitting straight line. Pakka question. Definite question. Question number 37, fitting straight line. Y is equal to a plus bx. N should be a odd or even also. Be careful. And I told you question number 38. So this is there. They ask binomial. Here they're asking Newton's. Newton's advancing difference method. So very, very important one. So this is the Newton's method. They are binomial here, Newton. They are Newtons here, binomial. So definite question for 3 mark. 5 mark questions. Already 3 questions happen. So still one question is there that is comes under theoretical distribution. This is comes under theoretical distribution. Look at that. This everybody knows. Z is equal to x minus mu by sigma. Right? So this is Z is equal to x minus mu by sigma, standard normal variate. Only the given 2 things, you are able to do it. So greater than comes direct table value. This is only for logic based on. Less than comes 1 minus table value. Between comes table value minus table value. So always remember these 3 questions. So very, very important one. So this is for 5 marks section A. The first question index number, second question time series, third question interpolation and extrapolation, and last question theoretical distribution. Even note that I forgot to say the 5 mark 7 question, first main, you're able to write only 4 question, but I miss it. So last 3 questions also is comes under theoretical distribution. So remember these 3 question. Yes. The question number, I told you already. Vital statistics 2 question. Index number 1 question. Time series 1 question. Interpolation, extrapolation 1 question. And these 2 questions comes under binomial distribution or Poisson distribution or hypergeometric distribution. In these 3 distribution, they're going to ask theoretical distribution 2 question there. The vital 2 question, index number 1 question, time series 1 question, extra 1 question, theoretical 2 question. This is 7 question, you're able to write 4. Another one, index number 1 question and time series fitting straight line 1 question, interpolation, extrapolation, Newton's 1 question, theoretical distribution 1 question. Here we have a 4 question, we are able to write 2. So this is important one for 5 mark question, very easy to score, even if you leave theoretical distribution only for the midterm. But coming final exam, preparatory exam, we need to study thoroughly theoretical distribution. These patterns not at all in the final exam. So be careful, guys. So after that, we'll move on to 10 mark question. So everybody knows. So 10 mark question, which questions comes? The only 3 questions are there. So we're able to write 2 questions. The question number 36 at start. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, these 3 questions only. Question number, 41 is always vital statistics chapter. Sometimes they ask GRR plus NRR combination, sometimes full STDR question. So very simple this, easy to write it. So index number, all price formula, all quantity formula we need to study, and we need to read properly whether they ask price formula, quantity formula, whether there is a Fisher's and whether there is a Marshall Edgeworth, right? Fishers or Marshall Edgeworth, and show that TRT and FRT. A very simple question. So we are able to write through thoroughly, we are able to write it or write it extra question also. That is comes under time series. We have only two methods for time series. In that they are going to ask you, the one question is y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square, and y is equal to a into b to the power x. In these two, so definitely they are going to ask 10 mark last question. If you have a lots of time, so definitely you are able to write extra question also is good for you people. Now after that, so I'll tell you the chapter wise weightage one. So very simple. So please note it. Yeah, first one, the vital statistics. So we are going to mark it as an MCQ and fill in the blank, match the following, 1 mark, 2 mark, then 5 mark, then there is a 10 mark. Yes. So let me plan now. So I think is helpful for you guys. Please note it down. So this is MCQ, fill in the blank, match the following, 1 mark question, 2 mark question, 5 mark question, 10 mark question. Vital statistics, index number, time series, intra-extra, theoretical distribution. This is not thoroughly, guys. According to the question paper, so what I prepare, the based on that. Not sure, but almost 99% sure this is the pattern blueprint. So definitely, yeah, vital statistics, MCQ 1 question, fill in the blanks 1 question, match the following 1 question, 1 mark 1 question, but 2 mark no question there, 5 mark 2 question, 10 mark 1 question. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 mark per chapter you will get it. Come to index number, 1 mark MCQ, fill in the blank, match the following, 1 mark question, and 2 mark 2 question, 5 mark 2 question, 10 mark 1 question. So your 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 mark for index number. This is, I prepared only for last year question paper based on that. Time series, 1 mark, here also 1 mark. So 2 mark, 2 mark 1 question, and 2 mark 1 question, 10 mark 1 question. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there is a 20 mark pattern for time series. So similarly, interpolation, extrapolation. So MCQ 1 question, no fill in the blank, no match the following, no 1 mark, 2 mark 1 question, 5 mark 2 question, no 10 mark. So there is an 10, 12, 13 mark this, 13 mark. Here there is a 1 mark MCQ, fill in the blank, match the following, 1 mark, 1 mark 2 question, 2 mark 3 question, 5 mark 3 question, there is no 10. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 mark. Yes, guys. So this is overall blueprint of the question paper. I showed 2024 based on that. So definitely you can help you, I think. So if you're interested, so please subscribe my channel, and any questions we require, please put your comment. Thank you. All the best for tomorrow exam. Do well, very, very easy only. But this is only for midterm. Final examination, they own question repeater. Index number only one question, 5 mark. Vital statistics only one 5 mark question. Time series no 5 mark question. Theoretical only one 5 mark question. Guys, remember, this is only for midterm. As I say, we need to study after midterm exam, all 4 chapter, we need to study compulsorily. Thank you. All the best.